How's it going, YouTube? You guys know I'm always on top of the latest news in the herp world. I just want to show you guys a revolutionary data logging web app that's going to help you all in keeping track of all your reptiles. So let me just show you. I have it in my favorites here. iHerp, okay, and it's www.iHerp.com. Basically what it is, it's a data logging system for keeping track of all your animals. So we'll just go here, view my animals. Give it a sec. Loads up. I got all my, I've entered a few in there. It's taken me a couple hours or so, but I got them all grouped out. Boas in one group, corn snakes in another. Some of the babies I hatched out. I'm just kind of toying around with it right now. You can click on to one you want to see as an example. Please, Hades. You can give them a name, a reference number, current status, your purchase price, the genetics, the morph, their birthday, the date you bought it. You can have a bunch of pictures of it. Here's his public page, so it just shows him, most recent pictures. Also, you can keep track of all your records. So let's say we want to go here. We're going to add to the tracking section. So you go add new tracking. And this is what's going to help everybody. You can pick all kinds of different record keeping things. Cleaned his cage, refused food, ready for shedding, length, weight. Basically anything that you'll need to know about your snake or reptile, you can put in there, date it, and it'll all go into its records. You can also keep track of breeding. So let me just show you one of mine that I have going as an example. I got Boreas and Apollo breeding right now, as you all know. You can go into this, then go into the breeding tab up top. And here's all the different breeding trials I've had. This is the one that's open right now. Go in there and it tells you all the different steps that have happened so far. Introduction in male's cage, what date, observed copulation, removed Apollo, 10 more days, pre-lay shed. It's basically got anything you can think of. You can also add pictures for each breeding. I got this one right here for now. Basically gonna help you keep track of everything you need to know. It's a great program. It's only opened up 3 days ago. So far there's already 1,220 registered animals. A couple other things I forgot to mention here. You can keep track of the lineage of your animal. So if you produce your own, you can keep track of all the babies and who they're going to. Another cool thing is if you click my stuff, going to bring you up to a little menu here. It shows you my recent trackings, so all the latest things that have happened with which snake, and that goes in a chronological order. And then also it's got a who's hungry section. It tells you when the last meal everyone's had. Some of them I haven't entered in because those were the babies, but it tells you the last time which one is eaten, so you know when it's time to feed them next. Also, you can check out the rest of the community. You can see some other people, see the animals they've posted, and comment on pictures, chat with each other. It's going to be great. Another one of the cool features I figured out here is you can go batch feed a group, which will make it simple to enter in all of your feedings. You pick the day, so let's say today, pick the group. You can do your boas, corn snakes, whatever groups you have. I'll go select all of my animals. Comes up with all my animals here. and what they usually eat, the quantity, you can pick whether they fed or not. So basically that's just the easier way than having to enter them all in singly. You pick everything, then you go save, and that'll save them to the individual animals' records. You can also choose if you want to keep certain animals private so other people don't know about it, and what information you want to release. So I suggest you all jump on board here while it's still brand new, play around with it a bit, and I guarantee you're going to like what you see. So make sure to check that out, iHerp.com.